So today we're going to talk about the Adjoin desktop freestanding shields. First, the design and why they're designed the way they are. We took the design inspiration that we had for our Adjoin panel stackers, very cleanable, very touchable surfaces. A lot of the competitive products that we've noticed in the field look like they're disposable. They're made with super thin plastics and they look like they're gonna break right away as well. We don't necessarily know how long the world is gonna be the way it is today. So when it comes to desktop, especially student desking and stuff like that, that durability still needs to be there. So what we're going to show you today is one, how we assemble them, and two, some of the features and benefits that go along with our product and why they're a little bit more suited for day-to-day environment where it has to be cleanable, disinfected, people can bump into it, people can touch it. So anyhow, let's get started. When you open up one of our freestanding shields, you're gonna notice that you're gonna get a face and two sides. You're gonna get corner connectors. Even though they lock the panels into place, they're still a little bit flexible. So this joint is not so rigid that the plastic would break or anything like that. They give it a little bit of flexibility so that it has some give to it. And then these are actually the feet. They have no skid silicone pads on them, so that once the unit's assembled and it's put on the desk, you will not be able to move or shift the unit without actually picking it up. The reason we added these to the system was that some of the desking that these go on aren't necessarily high pressure laminate. You might have an actual wood surface. We didn't want that to scratch. So acrylic can scratch, a hard surface if worn over time. So these are very soft touch and they'll protect the surface. Every one of our panels are shipped with a mask on them and it protects the face of the acrylic. I also recommend highly wearing gloves. One, it helps with grip. But two, you're not leaving fingerprints and oils behind on the surface of the acrylic. So this is our big face panel. Now we'll start by taking our corner brackets and putting those on first. You can see you kind of push it down at an angle, and then there's a little bump out right here that corresponds to the hole in the panel, and it simply just pushes into place. You'll feel a subtle locking. It's not like a really hard snap. Now we're gonna grab our side panels. Again, the bracket will flex, so you can just pull back. There we go. Snap the panel in place. Next, we'll put on our feet. Quick update, we now have an improved locking foot. It's tamper resistant. Same silicone pad, but now it snaps on. So those silicone pads really help hold it in place. So now we're ready to stand the unit up. The brackets are secure, so you can really just grab it. And set it down. We also make these type of brackets that if we know the thickness of the desktop and you want added security, we can add these to the design. Once you get that friction fit on there, these are really secure. This is not going anywhere. I don't care if you threw a backpack up on this desk, it's not moving. So it's really locked in place. Just for reference purposes, this unit is 23.5 inch high, 22 inch deep, and 47 inches wide.